My name's Andrés Pimentel, and today I have an exciting video about moving to the woods. But we have to get there first, so let's go. Gonna take a taxi and have lunch at this great place called Huasicleta. This is really good ceviche peruano. Ceviche from Peru, I'd say the best ceviche of any ceviche. Hey everyone, my name's Andrés Pimentel, and I'm still figuring out what I do on this channel. Today I want to talk about a big moving to the woods. Right here, I'm sitting in my, living room, kitchen, and bedroom. It'll be a little one-room shelter. So this is the fourth site for the house. The first couple were too near the spring. There's a lot of groundwater. Should mention I have fresh drinking water here. And I even started on this one unnecessarily, spent the afternoon digging. The area I'm sitting in now was done by a backhoe, so that was a lot easier. These are this is the design. Essentially it's going to be kind of like a roof on the floor, a house, kind of like these triangle cabins you see. Maybe eventually it will become this, but for now this is the plan. I have 2 weeks to get it at least airtight. We'll see how it goes. This should be an exciting series. Yeah, pretty excited. We had to carry this big log over here. I'll talk a little bit why someone would do this. Growing up, I was a big fan of Gene Craighead's George, My Side of the Mountain, the story of a boy who runs away to the woods. And that always inspired me, always wanted to do it. I also enjoy YouTubers like Isabel Page and Hannah Lee, who also live in the woods. Another inspiration for me is the video game Stardew Valley, where you kind of get into this routine of taking care of your crops and clearing your forest and being content being in the woods. I grew up in New Mexico, near a forest and a river, and those are some of my most treasured memories growing up. I've always grown up with a reverence for nature, so moving to the woods makes a lot of sense for me. It's not for everybody. It's going to be a lot of work, and it might be cold some nights, and it might get lonely, but for me it's really important. I think everyone, if they have the chance to at least take a hike, it's worth it. And if you have the chance to move away into the forest, it's even more worth it. There's something really special about waking up to the sounds of birds or hearing the trees groan like ancient doors at night. It may not be for everyone, but it certainly is for me. My name's Andrés Pimentel. I make videos like this and documentaries and video essays. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you made it this far in the video, thanks for sticking it out. And I'll see you next week. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.